It seems so cold when I walked you home, kiss goodnight. I said it's love, you said alright. It's funny how I could never cry until tonight. Then you passed me by, hand in hand with another guy. We're dressed to kill, and guess who's trying? Dance away the heartache, dance away the tears, dance away the heartache, dance away the tears, dance away loneliness. Is a crowded room full of open hearts turned to stone, all together, all alone, all at once. Yeah, my whole world has changed. Now I'm in the dark of the wall. Let the strobe light up the mall. Close my eyes and dance the dawn. Dance away the heartache, dance away the tears, dance away the heartache, dance away the tears, dance away, dance away, dance away. Well, hi to there, pluckers. I've Saw Fingers again with you with hopefully another interesting lesson for you. Some nice chords in here, and it's a classic song from Roxy Music and Brian Ferry, and Dance Away. Okay, standard tuning, no capos, doing it the same. Well, not doing it in the same key actually. At standard tuning, no capos, but I'm doing it in the key of D. Okay. On the record he does it in E flat, which is a bit high for me, so if you want to play along with the original version, just play everything I'm about to show you but with the capo on the first fret, and that'll put you into E flat. Okay, so let's get to it. So the introduction, obviously I've had to make my own arrangement slightly on the original because it's a bit difficult to copy on the single acoustic. Okay, so starts off with this sort of marimba type of thing, sort of that sort of, you know, wooden block type of sort of sound, and then it comes in with some electric pianos and stuff, and the nearest I can get is something like this. Okay, so what am I doing there? So I'm doing a lazy A. Okay, so I'm barring the second fret of the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings on the 2nd fret with my first finger, open 5th string, and I'm just going 5, down 5, 4, 3, and then taking my finger off and playing the B string, the 2nd string open, and then putting it back again to the 2nd fret on the 2nd string. So you go, okay, 5, 4, 3, take your finger off, play the 2nd string open, then put it back. And then do the same, but put your 2nd finger up and play the 3rd fret of the bottom E string. Okay, first, and it's 6, 4, 3, open 2nd, put your finger back, play the 2nd on the 2nd. So now you've got now I do the same sort of thing but barring all the strings on the 2nd fret. Okay, the way I'm playing it anyway. You might have your own way, but this is the way I was doing it. So barring the 2nd fret, I'm playing the 6th string, 4, 3, take your finger off, play the 2nd string open, and then put your finger back and play the 2nd string fretted on the bar on the 2nd fret, the 2nd string. Right? So now you've got this. Okay, and then just straightforward E chord. strum, single strum, yeah? Bit of a pause, and then it comes in with the first vocals, okay? So first chord is D. Yesterday, yesterday. Now what I like to do is, that first bass bit is very prominent and I love it, so I decided to try and put it in, okay? So you don't have to, I'll just give you the chords to start with. So yesterday, B minor, life seems so cool. You can play a simple B minor or a bar chord B minor, whichever you fancy, okay? So yesterday, well it seems so cool. Now we've just got a nice section of G to A, okay? Kiss goodnight. Sorry, okay. Sorry, I walked you home. Sorry, walked you home. We kiss goodnight. I said it's love. You said all right. So it's G to A, G to A, G to A. Okay, I'm playing a 4-finger G. You can play a 3-finger G if you want. That's fine. I like to play a 4-finger G on this, so I'm just doubling up on the top 2 strings on the 3rd fret there. Okay, so just once again, yesterday, it seemed so cool when I walked you home, kiss goodnight. Said it's love, you said it's right. Now we're going to the second half of the first verse. Repeats D. Funny how I could be minor, then cry. G to A again. Until tonight you pass me by, hand in hand, another and again. You dressed to kill, and guess who's dying? So it does it 4 times on the second half of the verse, so that G to A. First time it does it 3 times, second time it does G to A 4 times, okay? So right from the beginning, let's get that far, and then we're going into the chorus, and then basically we've got more or less most of the song, okay? So let's go. So from the beginning, you can do a tap, 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 tap thing if you want to, marimba type thing. So yesterday, well it seems so cool when I walked you home, kiss goodnight. Said it's love and said alright. It's funny how, well I could never cry until tonight you passed by, hand in hand with another guy, dressed to kill, and guess who's dying? And we're going into the chorus, okay? And the chorus is, let's just show you that little bass bit. Like yesterday, what I like to do is go yesterday, that bit, okay, then into the B minor, yesterday, okay, all that is the second fret of the bottom E string, 2 hits, then to the second fret on the 5th string, 2 hits, and then the open A string, and then to the B minor. So it's, or 2 hits on all of them actually you could do. So you could, yesterday, it seems so cool when I walked you home, kiss goodnight. Said it's love and said alright. Funny how I could never cry. You get the idea, don't you? Okay, so that's that bit. Now the chorus itself is very, very simple. When it comes out of that last line, dressed to kill, so it goes, hand in hand with another guy, dressed to kill, and guess who's dying? Da 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 da. All that is E. Chorus is E, C sharp minor. You can play a simple C sharp minor, 4th fret, or 4th fret bar chord. A chord, you can play bar chord A if you want. and then up to a B on the 7th fret if you want to do bar chords, or you can just play it E, C sharp minor here, and then A, and then a B like that, simple B, 2nd fret, top E string, 1st finger, 4th fret of the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings with your 3 fingers, 4 down to 1, or you can play a bar chord, 2nd fret bar, 3 fingers playing the 4th fret of the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings, or a bar using the 3rd finger doing the same thing there, 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings on the 4th fret. Or I said you could just go da da, sorry, da 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 da, and just do bar chords if you want. It does that twice, and it goes back to the A, and so won't stop. Just a single strum on the A down here. Dance away the heartache, dance away, dance away the heartache, dance away the tears, dance away. So you can just do the A down there if you like. Okay. So that's and then it's a bit of a pause, and then it goes back into another verse, okay, and another chorus. So loneliness, there's a crowded room. So exactly the same as the first verse, okay, and then do another chorus, and the only thing that's different is after the second chorus it goes dance away the harmony, dance away the tears, dance away the heartache, dance away the tears. This bit, this sort of bridge section. Dance away, da da da, dance away, da 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 da, dance away. Then it goes into another final verse. Now I know I walk the line. Okay, there's another verse, and then it does another chorus, and it just finishes. I think it fades out on the record actually. So I do another chorus, repeat the chorus if you like, and then do that dance away bit. Dance away, da, 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 dance away, da, 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 dance away. Just finish it like that, okay? Now the dance away bit is E to C major 7th, and that's basically a C chord without the first finger, but I like to make it a C major 7th with G in the bass. So you can just do that. It's 5 E, and that's simple C major 7th, C with first finger off, 5 down to 1. I like to put this 3rd finger up to the bottom E string on the 3rd fret and put my pinky on the 3rd fret of the 5th string, and then I can do all 6 strings. Okay, so dance away, da 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 da, again, dance away, again, da da da. Now we play an F bar chord or a simple F, whichever F you want to play. Dance away, and the final chord is a bit tricky to hear, but nearest I get to it is this. It's an E flat major 7. Okay, there's various ways you could play that. So that's right, dance away. I would suggest possibly that way, the way I did it is my recommended way. So it's barring the first 3 strings on the 3rd fret with your 1st finger, 3rd finger on the 5th fret of the 4th string, it's almost like a G minor, okay, but added pinky on the 6th fret of the 5th string, the A string, 5 down to 1, E flat major 7. Okay, so that's dance away, da 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 da, dance away, da 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 da, dance away, da 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 da, something like that. So dance away, da da da. Okay, so there you have it. If you wanted somebody, if you've got somebody with you who can play the notes, that's dance away. Does that? If you've got another guitarist with you, so that's the 10th, fret of the second string, slide down to the 8th, then hit that one again and slide it down to the 5th. So, got that? It does that twice. Dance away, da, da, dance away, da, da. And then it changes to the F, dance away, and it does the same thing but on the top E string. Okay, okay, so and as far as I know, I think that's right. So dance away, and then it finishes on this E flat major 7th. Because that what happens is it goes and it goes up one note right on the end, which marries into this E flat major 7th chord. Okay, so there you have it, boys and girls, my take on Dance Away by Roxy Music. Okay, so have fun, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.